Let's start our journey to the spookiest and creepiest photos to ever be captured in space. From the hand of God and bases on Mars to Death Stars and mysterious spirals. Here are space photos that will give you nightmares. The Ghost Hand of God. As the camera pans out from planet Earth, a chilling image comes into focus. A massive ghostly hand looming in the darkness of space, dubbed the Hand of God. This mysterious formation has baffled scientists for years. Some believe it's a remnant of a long-extinct supernova, while others think it's evidence of a higher power at work. They even gave an X-rayed version of it, and the hand might look like an X-ray from the doctor's office. But it is actually a cloud of material ejected from a star that exploded. Faces on Mars. As the satellite orbits Mars, it captures an eerie sight. A formation of rocks that look like faces looming from the barren terrain. Some speculate that this is evidence of alien life, while others attribute it to the unpredictable forces of nature. But one thing is for sure, the mystery of Mars continues to capture our imaginations. Who or what carved these rocky features? Are they just a coincidence, or do they hold a deeper meaning? The answer may lie in the uncharted territories of our neighboring planet. Bright light on Mars. On April 3, 2014, while wandering the Martian terrain, the rover picked up an enigmatic beacon of light in the distance behind a dune. A brilliant beam extended upwards into the sky beyond the horizon, captured by the right camera but not the left due to the camera delay. NASA's explanation of a glare off a rock or cosmic ray falls short, as the same beam of light was spotted in an earlier photo. What could it be? The mystery lingers. Celestial snake slithers through sky. As the scientists gaze into the night sky, they are mesmerized by the sight of a celestial serpent slithering through space. Its scaly body twists and turns, appearing to be alive and writhing. The snake is none other than Hydra, the female water snake, one of the most extensive star patterns in the sky. The stars that make up this constellation are mostly faint, creating an aura of mystery and suspense. Screaming Skull. In the depths of the Perseus cluster, a sinister entity lurks, known as the Screaming Skull. The nebula is the spookiest object ever captured by the Chandra Observatory. The image reveals a cloud of hot gas, over 50 million degrees Celsius, containing thousands of galaxies and located millions of light years from Earth. But it's the bubbles that form the eyes that give it an eerie quality. These areas are clustered around a massive black hole at the center, drawing in everything around it. Eye of Sauron. Deep in the far reaches of space, there exists a nebula that sends shivers down the spines of even the bravest of astronauts, known as the Screaming Skull. This celestial formation bears a striking resemblance to the evil eye of Sauron from The Lord of the Rings. While hobbits and orcs may exist only in fiction, the supermassive black hole that birthed this eerie structure is very real. What secrets lie hidden within the Screaming Skull? Only time and further exploration will reveal the mysteries of this hauntingly beautiful space oddity. Witch's Cackle. Astronomers were struck by its eerie beauty when the telescope captured the image of the Witch's Cackle Nebula. Its twisted tendrils of gas and dust seemed to writhe like a spectral hand, beckoning them closer. But as they studied it more closely, they noticed something odd. A faint but unmistakable whispering sound, like the crackling of an unseen crone. Some speculated that the nebula was haunted by the ghost of a long-dead witch, while others claimed it was a message from an alien race. A cat's eye sees all. 3,000 light-years away, this luminous outburst captivates the attention of astronomers and stargazers alike. But for those who delve deeper, the true nature of the celestial phenomenon remains shrouded in mystery. Is it a cosmic farewell, a cosmic hello, or something else entirely? Only time and further exploration will reveal the secrets hidden within the Cat's Eye Nebula. Mysterious Owl Nebula. This haunting image shows the Owl Nebula, a planetary nebula located in the constellation of Ursa Major, also known as M97. It is approximately 6,000 years old and located 2,600 light-years away. Its mysterious glow and eerie appearance have captivated scientists and stargazers for years. Legend has it that the nebula was formed from the remains of an ancient creature that once roamed the galaxy, leaving behind its haunting visage for all to see. A cosmic ghost head. Looking like a colorful holiday card, this image is actually a glimpse into the vast, mysterious universe that surrounds us. The Ghost Head Nebula's two flaming hot eyes peer at us from the darkness, beckoning us to explore their depths. Located in the Magellanic Cloud, about 170,000 light-years away from Earth, these glowing eyes are star-forming regions with hot blobs of hydrogen and oxygen. Halloween skull in space. How did this skull wind up in space? That was the question on everyone's mind when NASA released a radar image of asteroid 2015 TB-145, captured by the Arecibo Observatory in Puerto Rico. The image showed a striking resemblance to a skull, complete with eye sockets and a nasal cavity. But that was the strangest part. NASA claimed that the asteroid was likely a dead comet, which left many wondering if the skull was merely a coincidence or if it held a more mysterious and ominous meaning. Black Widow Nebula. This giant red space spider is the biggest black widow we've ever seen. But don't worry, it won't bite. It's actually just a nebula, or a cloud of interstellar gas and dust. However, this is no ordinary nebula. Astronomers suspect that a large cloud of gas and dust condensed to create multiple clusters of massive star formation within it. As these baby stars form, powerful outflows blew out bubbles in opposite directions, forming the distinctive double bubble seen in the image. Zombie star explodes back to life. Astronomers probing the deepest mysteries of the universe are getting help from zombie stars, dead white dwarfs that come back to life in huge explosions. One of these stars is Tycho, which was once a white dwarf that remains a supernova explosion. But something strange happened to Tycho. It started gobbling up too much mass from another nearby star, causing it to explode again in a Type Ia supernova. Now Tycho drifts through the cosmos, a mysterious and ominous reminder of the power and unpredictability of the universe. Ghost-like nebula. The little-known nebula billows out among the bright stars and dark dust clouds that surround it in this striking image. Its ghost-like appearance and the small star-forming region filled with dark dust sparked the curiosity of scientists. Some speculate it could be a remnant of a supernova explosion, while others believe it may be the result of gravitational interactions between stars. The enigmatic nebula continues to puzzle astronomers, leaving them to wonder what secrets it may still hold. Cat's Paw. The Cat's Paw Nebula NGC 6334 was a sight to behold, captured in infrared by VISTA, a vast region of star formation. It harbored young, massive stars born in the last few million years. But as the astronomers examined the image, they sensed an eerie presence, strange energy patterns, unexplainable figures, and peculiar star movements raised more questions than answers. Was it a mere trick of the eye, or something else entirely? An unidentified object. On April 27, 2021, a strange sighting occurred in the skies above Earth. A video captured by SpaceX showed a mysterious object soaring dangerously close to the crewed Dragon spacecraft just after the astronauts had departed. The incident left many perplexed, with some sources speculating that it could be ice from the rocket's liquid oxygen. However, others have expressed doubts, claiming that the movements of the object were too erratic to be explained by simple ice. The mystery surrounding the sighting continues to deepen, leaving many wondering what other secrets the universe may hold. A Death Star. In a shocking discovery, NASA's Space Telescope has captured an eerie, planet-sized object lurking close to the Sun. The object, resembling the ominous Death Star, extended a refueling tube into the Sun's surface, and it was briefly engulfed in the Sun's light. It suddenly vanished into space, leaving behind a trail of questions and theories. Some speculated to be an extraterrestrial spaceship harnessing the Sun's energy, while others feared to be a harbinger of impending doom. The mysterious object continues to puzzle scientists and space enthusiasts alike. A mysterious spiral. As the Subaru telescope scanned the skies above Mauna Kea, Hawaii, something strange caught its lens. A mysterious whirlpool had formed, swirling in the darkness like a vortex to another dimension. Scientists were baffled by the phenomenon, speculating it could be linked to a SpaceX satellite launch earlier that day. But others whispered of darker forces at play, and rumors began to circulate of alien technology and secret experiments. As the night wore on, the whirlpool continued to spin, leaving observers wondering what secrets lay hidden within its depths. Black hole. In the depths of space, a strange and eerie image appears on a screen. It's the image of a black hole, a mysterious and unknown entity that has fascinated scientists and laypeople alike for years. As we zoom in closer, the suspense builds, and we can't help but wonder what secrets lie within the heart of this enigmatic cosmic phenomenon. Is there life inside? Is there something waiting to be discovered? What do you guys think? Mars. To some, it might look like a normal photo from Arizona, but to the trained eye, it was something far more intriguing. The reddish hue of the rocky terrain, the distant mountains shrouded in a dusty haze, and the faint glimmer of a pale sun in the sky gave the game away. This was not Earth, but Mars. The Paranorma photo from the surface held secrets and mysteries waiting to be uncovered, sparking curiosity and the desire for exploration in those who beheld it. Greater Pumpkin Galaxies. In the depths of space, the Hubble Space Telescope has captured a peculiar sight, a cosmic pumpkin, complete with glowing eyes and a crooked carved smile. But the image is far from a festive decoration. It's actually a snapshot of a galactic collision in its early stages, as two galaxies merge. The pumpkin's overall color comes from aging red stars, while the smile is bluish due to newborn star clusters along a forming dusty arm. Goth Galaxies. NASA Webb Telescope reveals bones of a stunning spiral galaxy, IC 5332. The photo captures an eerie and mysterious sight. The innards of the galaxy appear as a skeletal whirlpool. The spiral arms stretch out like bony fingers, seemingly pulling everything towards its center. Though it is smaller than our Milky Way, it is a powerhouse of cosmic activity. Its gravitational forces can cause entire star clusters to orbit around it, adding to the intrigue of this otherworldly image. All this captured from a distance of over 29 million light-years away. A strange spacecraft. A mysterious shape appears in footage taken on Apollo 16 while astronauts John Young, Thomas Mattingly, and Charles Duke were returning from the moon. The shape appears to be hovering in space and emits a strange glow. As the astronauts approach the shape, it suddenly disappears, leaving them perplexed and uneasy. Speculations arise that it could be an alien spacecraft, but NASA denies any extraterrestrial involvement. The incident remains a mystery to this day, leaving many to wonder what they had really encountered in space. A UFO. A UFO appears in a recently leaked picture taken by the U.S. Navy pilots during a training exercise. The unidentified flying object moves erratically through the air, defying the laws of physics. The pilots, bewildered by what they are seeing, report the sighting to their superiors. The image has caused a stir in the scientific community, raising questions about the existence of extraterrestrial life and the possibility of advanced technology being used by other civilizations. A doorway on Mars. As NASA's Mars rover continued its exploration of the red planet, it captured an image that would leave the world in awe. The image revealed a doorway cut into a mountainside, suggesting the presence of extraterrestrial life. The world was in shock, and people couldn't stop wondering what lies beyond the mysterious doorway. Was it a secret laboratory, a hidden civilization, or something even more sinister? Twin baby stars. In a distant corner of the universe, an image had just been captured that left astronomers puzzled and intrigued. The image showed two circumstellar disks, each with a baby star growing and feeding off material from its surrounding birth disk. But what really caught their attention were the complex network of dust structures that surrounded them. The dust formed intricate spirals that resembled the loops of a pretzel, creating an unprecedented sight that left astronomers questioning the very nature of the universe. A ghostly visitor. A sense of wonder filled the room as everyone stared at the image on the screen. It was the clearest view ever captured on the interstellar comet. But as they looked closer, a feeling of suspense crept in. There seemed to be something strange about the comet. It almost looked like there was a faint glow emanating from within. And then a mysterious thought crossed everyone's mind. Could there be something alive in there? Fireballs. The universe is filled with mysteries, and the latest discovery has left astronomers in a state of shock. They stumbled upon footprints of a monster galaxy from the dawn of time, a cosmic yeti lurking in the dust. For years, these galaxies were considered nothing more than myths, but a team of scientists from the United States and Australia has finally captured a picture of the elusive beast. The discovery has left the scientific community eagerly anticipating what other secrets the universe might hold. Galaxies. The mysteries of the universe never cease to amaze. Zooming in on that Hubble image, you can see galaxies that appear as they looked over 13 billion years ago. But what secrets do they hold? What cataclysmic events took place in those far-off galaxies? Are there civilizations out there watching us, waiting for the right moment to reveal themselves? It's like we're peeking into the past, searching for answers to questions we never even knew to ask. The universe is vast, dark, and full of secrets. Moon crossing Earth. Hold on tight as we make our descent back to Earth. Behold, a photo captured by NASA's Deep Space Climate Observatory satellite from 1,000,000 miles away, revealing the mysterious far side of the moon eclipsing our planet. What you witness right here is the enigmatic lunar landscape like never before. Isn't this just mesmerizing? Sunset on Mars. It's hard to believe that this stunning photo captures a sunset on Mars. The red sky is ablaze with warm hues of orange, pink, and purple as the sun dips below the horizon. The landscape below is barren, with rocky terrain and hills in the distance. The image is both beautiful and eerie, a stark reminder of the stark alien world that is our neighboring planet. Looking at this photo, it's easy to feel a sense of wonder and awe at the majesty of our universe. Jupiter. The photo reveals Jupiter's south pole, a view rarely seen before. The colors are vivid, but not artificial. Each swirl in the image is a cyclone, measuring up to 1,000 kilometers in diameter, which is slightly smaller than Texas. The swirls are so mesmerizing that one can't help but wonder what forces are at play to create such massive cyclones. A black hole. A dark shadow seemingly defying the laws of physics loomed in the center of a galaxy so far away. It was a black hole, with a mass so colossal it was difficult to comprehend. Questions swirled in the minds of the scientists who captured the first ever photo. What lies beyond the event horizon? What secrets does this behemoth hold? The discovery of this black hole was a remarkable achievement, but it also sparked an insatiable curiosity that would drive scientists to unravel its mysteries. The Eagle Nebula. Now let's take a look at the pillars of creation, which are part of the Eagle Nebula. It's a bunch of space dust, basically. See that little cloud over there? That's 170 billion kilometers in height. The circumference of the Earth is only 40,075 kilometers. You could travel around the Earth 4 million times and still not have traveled the distance of that tiny cloud. Eerie fog. Like a dense, ominous fog that engulfs a street lamp on a dark night, a strange and mysterious nebula captured in space lingers eerily in the void. The nebula known as NGC 1999, or the Keyhole Nebula, appears as a dimly burning mass of gas and dust, concealing a hidden nursery for newborn stars at its core. This captivating image, captured by the Hubble Space Telescope in 1999, has puzzled and intrigued astronomers ever since, leaving them to wonder at the secrets hidden within this enigmatic celestial object. Planet Hell. Ever wondered about Hell? Well, we might have an answer for you. A planet orbiting an orange dwarf star in the constellation Monoceros, 490 light-years away, suggests that the world has a surface temperature hot enough to boil rock. It conjures up a vision of hell. While scientists are not sure of the exact chemical makeup of the planet, the sheer temperatures mean that whatever it is, the rocky ground will boil, forming a mineral atmosphere. Vampire stars. Twilight fans, take note. There are vampires lurking in our Milky Way galaxy. These vampires, known as blue straggler stars, maintain a youthful appearance by sucking the life from other stars. In a mysterious picture, two glowing stars are seen, possibly blue stragglers themselves. These stars are often found in dense clusters and have a blue tinge to their light, suggesting youth. Scientists believe they steal gases from their neighbors, allowing small aging stars to extend their lives by hundreds of millions of years. Solar snake. As the solar orbiter approached the sun, it spotted a mysterious tube of cooler atmospheric gases shaking its way through the sun's magnetic field. The observation was both suspenseful and intriguing, as this snake was a precursor to a much larger eruption. The tube of cool plasma was suspended by magnetic fields in the sun's hotter surrounding plasma, providing a new addition to the zoo of features revealed by the ESA-led Solar Orbiter mission. Well, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting updates related to our latest videos.